how to create the new latest trend of 3D AI images. Like you can see here, if you have seen those images of your friends or relatives in Instagram, WhatsApp, or in every social platform, now it is going very viral of these 3D AI images. So how can you create it from your Android mobile in only under 1 minute? This I'm gonna show you in my today's video. So if you are also interested to make it from your own, if you want to make your own 3D AI images same like this from your Android mobile, this I'm gonna show you in my today's video. If you watch my today's video full, then you can easily make this kind of images from your Android mobile in only under 1 minute. But before that, if you are new in this channel, then please share, subscribe and like, and also press the notification bell icon, set it for all for my latest videos updates. So for now, let's start this video. The current trending model, what you need to do this editing, just go to your Chrome and web browser you can open in a smartphone, and then in the search bar you have to search Google Gemini, Gemini. This is Google's official Gemini. So just search this Gemini, Google Gemini, and then you can see here this first website, googlegemini.com. so just you have to go to this website, this number 1, Gemini, and then you'll got to see this kind of interface. So it will ask you for any login details also. So it is listed here, hello Sohel. And now after you go to this website, after you enter this interface, now you can see here is plus icon. So just click on this plus icon, and then here are 3 options: camera, upload files, and add from drive. So you have to click on this upload files, and after you click on this upload files, then your mobile gallery will be open. Just you have to click on photos and media, this 3rd number option. This means gallery. So we have to choose that our photo from gallery. So now your gallery will be open, and you have to select that photo which you want to make it AI, 3D AI model. So I just select my pic here from my gallery. So just wait here. Okay, so I have selected one photo. Just for the example, I want to convert this into new 3D AI model. So in my description you will see one prompt. So you have to copy that prompt and you have to paste it here in this box, in this Ask Gemini section. So just go to my description or in my comment section also. You have to same copy that prompt and then simply paste it here in this section. Just long press and click on paste button. So I just click on paste, and then you can see here this whole prompt has been pasted, and I have attached my photo also. And after you just paste it, now you can see here send button. So just click on this send button. Okay, so this is my pic here, and you have to wait. You can see here just a second. So it is creating our pic. So you have to wait for something like 1 or 2 minutes. So I'll be wait here. Okay, so now guys, my image is generating. Okay, I just zoom out here, and then guys, now you can see here successfully my image has been generated. Okay, so in only under 1 minute, in not 1 minute, in just 30 seconds, I have got my image ready here. So to download this, just click on this image, and if you want to download, just click on this download button, download or save button, and then you can see here downloading full size image downloaded. So when you open your mobile gallery, so I just go to my mobile gallery and I will show you. So guys, now you can see here this is my image. So this is the very easy process to create this 3D AI model image. You can easily do this from this Gemini, Google Gemini. So under only 1 minute from this trick, you can easily create your 3D AI model. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please share, subscribe and like. So for now, bye bye guys.